to talk today about my HBA story from 2020 to now, to 2024. My name is Bill Fever, and I have a links page at williamfever.com. In October of 2020, I joined the Home Business Academy. I got an email about the Home Business Academy, and I don't usually look at emails, but I took a look at this one, and I went all in. I bought all 3 products, and I don't usually spend money like that, but I did. I was close to retirement, and I was looking for something to stay connected with people, and I also wanted to supplement my retirement. I know there's many people out there like me that are looking for other ways to make some additional money in retirement, or to make a whole new stream of money so that they could actually retire from their job completely. The Home Business Academy products, they have a funnel builder, which everybody needs to create funnel pages, to capture pages, to get leads, to get people to sign up for their lists so that they have access to people. And that is basically what your business is your list. So this funnel builder is a pretty integral part of having a business online. And with that is the Funnel Builder Academy, which teaches you how to use the funnel builder and in detail. And it has a lot of templates, it has a lot of helps, and I will explain further down the line. It has a lot of a community that will help you work through any problems you have. And this funnel builder can be used not only to make affiliate commissions with the Home Business Academy, but you can use this to make capture pages or pages for any of business that you want. The other product that we have is called the HBA Premium, and this is basically a traffic and conversions tool. It has a lot of videos. It has a lot of personal help, and a lot of information and data to help you build a business, get traffic, and to convert them for any business. And the third product is the Financial Literacy Academy, which is basically telling you how to become debt free, how to use any monies that you make to build wealth, and to build wealth so that it will make money for you without any further efforts. And then the last little product I wanted to show you was the Let's Goal, and this is a planning and scheduling tool that was added just recently, and it's really pretty cool, and it's only $10 a month, and you can also get a commission off that too. And all of these products pay an 80% commission. The Home Business Academy has masterminds that really encourage and help people, and so I wanted to go through them and share them with you. They have a weekly, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, their Grow Rich Mastermind call, which is an inspirational call. And a different person gives a little sharing every day. They read from a book that they're reading a book every at all times, but they go through it, a bunch of different books on how to make money. And then they have a mastermind where people can share and help each other as we grow inspirationally. Then we have a Funnel Builder Monthly Mastermind on Monday, the first Monday of every month, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is where people will come on and share how they're using the Funnel Builder and to build their business, and gives you ideas and encouragement on what people are doing. We also have a Saturday new members welcome orientation and Q&A, and that's Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we have a new workout fitness mastermind, and it's not recorded, and it's going to be Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where people work out each morning and online with each other and just encourage each other. And that is for all paid members. Then there's the HBA premium members. Those, if you buy the second product, if you have those both products, then you can come into these masterminds. And we have one Monday night, What's Working Now Marketing Mastermind, and that's the second, third, fourth, and if there's a fifth Monday of the month, in the evening at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and usually two people share what's working for their business. And it's motivational, it's inspirational, and you get to connect with people and just meet them. Then we also have our daily TNC Traffic and Conversion Mastermind. This is every Monday through Thursday at 11 a.m. And you go on, and somebody will show you, one of the leaders in our industry will be showing you what they're doing, and we watch them work right online for about 45 minutes, and then we have Q&A for however long it takes to answer questions. So if you're having problems, you can come on there and help get information, help too. We also have, I wanted to mention, we also have some Facebook pages where you can go and post questions and ask for help. And those are responded by all our membership at any time. And a lot of times you'll get a lot of help from a lot of people. Then on Friday, we have our Funnel Builder Friday Mastermind, where Matthew Martin, one of our great affiliates, he creates these great funnels, and he comes online, and well, he's actually donated a lot of templates to our system, and he actually comes on and shows you a lot of tricks and things that he uses, and really it's a great educational class. And then you have questions and answers on that. It's Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we have some supplemental bonus events for our members. We have Spanish new members orientation every Wednesday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we have our annual HBA Freedom Fest live in-person event. This is like a 3 to 4 day event every November during the week of the 11th. And it's at a different place around the country. And there's a lot of things. You can go in person, or you can go on virtually, because they stream a lot of the activities. But you have to buy a ticket for that, and all the proceeds for that go to our mission outlet for our business called the Save Our Starving Children. And so, Feed Our Starving Children, or Feed My Starving Children. I think that's the name of it. I'm sorry, I get it all mixed up. But it's a mission that we give to, and all the proceeds from this event go to that mission. And no commissions are paid on any of that. I wanted to talk a little bit about the business as it is. Mike Hobbs and Paul Hutchings created this company in 2016, and they provided a business to serve affiliate marketers. They make very little on this. They pay out 80% commissions, and they make their money from being affiliates too. And they're very, very good at what they do, but they're very generous in this company to us. If you want to take a look, you can go to williamfever.com/LHB and just take a look at it. And it's a video of them telling why they got into the business and what happens. To date, they've had over $7 million in sales. And to date, they've also paid out over $5 million in commissions. And also, they've donated over 300,000 days of meals to kids. So this business is here. It's been around a while, and it's designed for the long run. So personally, I've made several $1,000s in commissions, and I've learned a lot about affiliate marketing. And I've met and made friends with some remarkable affiliate marketers, some great people. Even at 77 years old, I poised myself to grow my business. I always think of the artist Grandma Moses and the Kentucky Fried Chicken owner Colonel Sanders, who made their extraordinary advancements in their later years. And my goal is to make some extraordinary advancement with my affiliate marketing company. I want to thank you very much. Please subscribe and leave a comment about this video. And if you'd like to know more about the Home Business Academy, go to williamfever.com/AIO. And my links are listed below in the comments or in the description. So that is what I have for today. I want to wish you the best and have a great day. And remember, go for all you can.